Kitset Assembly Services franchise, South Canberra, ACT. If you can use power tools and want all the benefits of having your own business without the risks, you'll love this. With demand outstripping supply, Kitset Assembly Services is a safe, easy business with unlimited growth potential. This business is perfect for anyone seeking freedom and independence with the backing of a great franchisor. No premises or qualifications are required as all training is provided and franchisees love to support each other. This franchise has limited competition, with many clients refusing to use anyone else for their work. The diverse client base includes the public, furniture stores, gym equipment stores, removalists, Install Easy, and more. From furniture and fit-outs to play equipment, saunas, sheds and more, the work is varied and interesting. The franchisor provides marketing, admin support and strong business leads, so you'll never feel alone. This successful franchise is being offered for genuine health reasons, presenting a fantastic opportunity for a motivated buyer. With plenty of work already booked and unlimited potential, just step in and start earning immediately.